Hello guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Evernote Web Clipper extension into your browser. So first open up any of your favorite browser and here in the search box just type the web store and search for it and hit the enter, and now you will see the first website of chromewebstore.com. So you can just open it and here click on the search extensions, and here now you can just type the Evernote Web Clipper. So when you type it, just hit the enter and you will see the first website of Evernote Web Clipper extension. So you can just click on that and here you will see this extension has the rating 4.7 star ratings. So after that, now you can just click on the add to Chrome and then click on the add extension, and then it will start downloading into your browser. So after the download and install was complete, now here you can click on the extension button and here you will see the Evernote Web Clipper extension. Click on the spin icon and just open this and start using it. So guys, this is how you can download and install the Evernote Web Clipper extension into your browser. So if this video is helpful for you, if any question, please let me know in the comments. Have a good day.